Hello, welcome to the tutorial series on how to create vehicle monitoring system in Radzen Blazor. Now in this first lesson we are going to create the database. So I'm going to, by search button, I'm going to search for SQL Server Management Studio. So after entering the credentials, I'll click connect. So I right click on databases folder in Object Explorer. I'll click on new database. I'm going to assign a name to the database. Let's call it Vehicle Monitoring DB. And I click OK. After creating the database, I'll expand databases folder. Then I'll right click on Vehicle Monitoring DB. Then I'm going to select New Query from the context menu. Now there is a query that I've already prepared in Notepad. I'm going to copy the query. I'll paste it here. I'm going to explain what is being done here. So I'm creating vehicle table, and it has the following columns: vehicle ID, whose data type is big int, and its primary key and its identity column. The make, whose data type is VACA 255. Let me change that to NVACA 255. Then I say not no. Model NVACA 255. Not no. Yeah. Int. License plate NVACA 20. Not no. Vehicle identification number. NVACA 50. Color NVACA 50. Owner name NVACA 255. Not no. Owner contact address NVACA max. Not no. Owner phone number NVACA 50. Not no. Owner email varchar 70. No. Then the next thing we do is we are going to insert 10 records into the table. So let me update this script. So this is the query to insert 10 records into the vehicle table. I've updated it, taking into account the additional columns I added earlier on. As I added owner contact address, owner phone number, owner email. Now we have GPS data table as well. It has GPS data ID, whose data type is big int and its primary key columns identity. We have vehicle ID, that type is big int. We have latitude, whose data type is decimal 9,6. Longitude, whose data type is decimal 9,6. Timestamp, whose data type is timestamp. Foreign key, and then we created a foreign key between the GPS data table and the vehicle table on their respective vehicle ID columns. Then the next thing is we insert 10 records into the GPS data table. Then we have the speed measurements table. That's speed ID, whose data type is big int and its primary key and identity column as well. We have vehicle ID, whose data type is big int. We have speed in kilometer per hour. Speed in kilometer per hour, whose data type is decimal 7,2. We have timestamp, whose data type is timestamp. We have foreign key. We create a foreign key between speed measurements table and the vehicle table on their respective vehicle ID columns. So that's the insert statement to insert into speed measurements table. I've changed the column names earlier for speed kilometer per hour, so I have to update that part. So you can see we enter different range of speeds, those that are slow, those that are normal, and those that are excessively fast. So the next thing is we want to pass our query, so click on pass. So command completed successfully, then we click execute. Set cannot insert an explicit value into okay. Let me delete the database first. So I create it again. Vehicle monitoring DB. Okay, so let me go over the queries again. this timestamp, I'm going to change it to date and time inserted. I will change this to date time. And I'm going to change this to date and time inserted. Or anywhere I see current timestamp, I'll go to edit, find and replace, quick replace. I'm going to replace it with get date function, which inserts the current date and time. It tells me 20 occurrences replaced. So also in speed measurements table, I'm going to have another column called date and time inserted, speed measurements table as well. So let me copy this. So I go to speed measurements table, place this, and I come to the insert statement to date and time inserted. So let's pass again. Tells us command completed successfully, execute, and there are no issues this time. So we get message telling us 10 rows affected. Let's verify. Let's expand vehicle monitoring DB database. So let's right click on vehicle table and say select top 1000 rows. There you go. GPS data script table. Okay, let's say select up 1000 rows. There you go. And lastly, let's look at speed measurements table, script table, select up 1000 rows. There you go. Thank you for watching.